Now I'm going to make you understand vegetative propagation, that is artificial vegetative propagation. In this vegetative propagation, before going ahead, we should know the difference between artificial and natural vegetative propagation. In natural vegetative propagation, there is no human intervention. Means the potatoes are taken and sown inside the soil and given all the favorable conditions, and you can get a new plant. But when we are talking about artificial vegetative propagation, here we need to intervene, we need to interfere. Means what? The human interfere, they go through cutting, they make the stem sharp, they use knife, or there are different things by which plants are made ready for growing a new plant. For example, the first method I am going to explain you, and this method is cutting. Very easy to understand, don't worry. Once you listen to me carefully, you'll understand everything. Now only you have to use your words, you have to make your own sentences, and step by step you have to explain. That's all. In cutting, we take the part of the plant, we always remember the part of the plant which is taken, suppose small stem which bears bud in them. There should be a bud, otherwise that stem will not grow. Then second thing is there, we should take a sharp knife to cut this part. After cutting this part, it is nicely cut and sown inside the soil. As I told you, it has a bud in it. इसके पास एक bud है which is responsible for the growth. Slowly what will happen, you know, when you provide all these favorable conditions like air, water and moisture, means moisture, water and sunlight, then what will happen? This bud will start growing into a stem, and slowly leaf will start appearing on the stem. At the same time, these first roots will grow. Why? Because it has to transfer water and minerals for the growth of the bud. So first root will start growing and then it will go to the bud and then this new stem will grow. It means your plant is ready. Now it will give lots of branches and flowers. So this cutting can be done in rose plants, in champa, in grapes, in sugarcane also, in chrysanthemum, cactus, henna, and how can we forget money plant? Henna, you know, mehendi. So we can grow all these plants by the process of cutting. Now the next process of vegetative propagation, artificial vegetative propagation, is grafting. What is that? Grafting. What happened in grafting? You know why grafting is needed? Grafting is needed to get the required or desired characteristics in plants. Suppose there is a plant. Two plants are there. One plant is diseased. Why? Because the root is weak and the stem is good. But when the root is weak, the proper amount of water and minerals are not provided to the stem. जब उसे proper amount of nutrition नहीं मिलेगा तो वो grow कैसे करेगा? तो उनके growth में थोड़ी सी problem आ जाती है. So to make it correct और इसे सही करने के लिए ये एक artificial process है grafting, in which do you know what happened? The rooted part of another plant of the same species is taken. Rooted part जो है किसी अलग species का ले लिया जाता है जो diseased ना हो, और फिर young stem, जिस plant के stem के लिए हमें root चाहिए, उसका stem हम अलग कर लेंगे. उस stem को दूसरे same species के root के साथ इस तरह से adjust किया जाता है. That should be adjusted well. See, why? So that इनके बीच में जो कैम्बियम है ना, जाइलम और फ्लोएम, जो कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, ये टिश्यूज एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अटैच्ड हो जाएं. तो इनको इस तरह से कट किया जाता है जिससे कि ये बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के ऊपर प्रॉपर्ली फिट हो जाएं, इस तरह से। एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन द स्टेम एंड द रूट इज टेकन, देयर लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ शुड बी सेम। हाँ, सो दिस रूटेड पार्ट इज कॉल्ड स्टॉक। दिस रूटेड पार्ट ऑफ द ग्राफ्टिंग प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड स्टॉक। और ये जो अपन हमने स्टेम लिया है ना, उसे हम कहते हैं सीऑन। व्हाट डू वी से? सीऑन। और फिर हमने इसको इतने अच्छे तरीके से एडजस्ट किया है, सो स्लोली, एंड डू यू नो दैट शुड बी टाइटली फिट, ये एकदम टाइटली फिट होना चाहिए। फॉर दैट वी यूज मड, हम इसके चारों तरफ मड लगा देते हैं। क्या लगाते हैं? मड। एंड वी रैप दिस पोर्शन आइदर विद द पोलोथीन और विद द कॉटन क्लॉथ। फिर हम इस पोर्शन को पोलोथीन या कॉटन क्लॉथ से रैप कर देते हैं। Then what happen? Slowly this cambium get joined. ये cambium जो है वो तो tissues हैं, उनमें division होता है और ये join हो जाते हैं। At the same time this root also start growing and then a new branches start coming on this grafted plant. And we get a not only new plant, we also get the plant which has all the good qualities. So this is what the way we can get a new good qualities of fruits, good qualities of flowers. Mostly this process is done for the fruit plants. Mostly. I hope you people have understood it well. So this grafting and cutting is done. In my next video, I'll be explaining other process of or methods of artificial vegetative propagation. I request you, don't forget to subscribe, share and write the comments and wait for my new updates. Thank you all of you.